Friends, this incident was sent to me by Furqan. He said it happened in his own relative's house in a village in Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Furqan, I know you are watching this video, so thank you so much for sharing this story with us. Now let's come to the real incident. One day, Furqan relatives started noticing something strange in their home. At first, they saw blood stains on some clothes. They were confused, but they ignored it, thinking maybe the clothes got stained from somewhere else. But soon, things took a very scary turn. Sometimes drops of blood fell from the ceiling. Sometimes they even found blood inside their water. Just imagine opening a pot of water and seeing red drops floating inside. The whole family got frightened. They didn't know where this blood was coming from or why this was happening only to them. They finally decided maybe this house is the problem, so they changed their house and moved to a new place. But even after moving, the same strange incidents continued. Blood stains on clothes, drops falling from the roof, red marks appearing without any reason. The family was in deep fear. They couldn't sleep properly. They always felt someone was watching them. At last, the eldest member of the family went to meet a Sufi elder, a spiritual person who guides and helps people. He explained everything, all the details. The Sufi elder came to their new home, checked every corner quietly, and after some time he said, "Someone from your own relatives has done black magic on your family." These words broke them, because it meant someone close, someone from their own blood wanted to harm them. The Sufi elder did some spiritual practices. He gave them taweez and dum water. Taweez is a small piece of paper with spiritual words written on it, and people wear it for protection. And dum water means the elder reads spiritual verses over the water and then gives it to drink. He told every family member, "Drink this every day, follow these simple steps, don't miss it." They followed everything exactly, and slowly all the strange things stopped. No more blood drops, no more stains, no more fear. Their home finally became peaceful again. Friends, on this channel, I share real unusual stories just like this. If you enjoy such true incidents, you can join me. And if you have any unusual real story, share it with me in the comments. Maybe your story will be the next video.